Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you can actually change the soundboard. Check Manage Server or the bot's edit role so changes save. Once done, open Discord on desktop because the interface exposes full controls. Navigate to the server and locate the channel or bot panel where the soundboard entries live. Next, click the soundboard icon or the bot's Manage Sounds area. This begins the editing flow. Doing this now prevents permission errors and keeps all assets centralized for fast edits. Once you see the list of sounds, pick one to edit and decide whether to rename, replace the file, or delete it. When replacing, upload a clean WAV or MP3 that meets size limits. This reduces playback issues. Make sure you set or update the trigger key or label so users find it easily. Preview the audio after upload to confirm levels and timing, and adjust volume or trim if the tool offers it. These steps ensure consistent playback and predictable triggers in live use. Save your edits and immediately test the soundboard in a voice channel while logged in as a typical user to confirm visibility and playback. If a clip fails, verify format, bitrate, and file size. Make sure the soundboard bot or feature has permission to connect and speak. Once done, restart the bot or reload the server integration to clear caches. If problems persist, revert to a known good backup file and re-upload. That usually isolates whether the issue is the new audio or a permissions/config problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.